So students, as we have seen in the previous module that the equation of a line that is parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equal to k, where k is a fixed number. Let me take example. If I draw y is equal to -2, y is equal to -2, okay, because here y component or y coordinate is -2. So this is the equation of a line y is equal to -2 that is also parallel to x-axis. So if I have to find equation of x-axis, how we find or what will be the equation? See, it is x-axis and we have found that it is the equation y is equal to -2 because here the distance is -2. From every point the distance is fixed, that is -2. But if I say that I have to find the equation of x-axis, x-axis means this is the line x-axis. Here see the components or see the points here 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. So you can say that x coordinate varying. X coordinate is varying, but y component or y coordinate is always 0 here. So you can write that the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 because the distance is now 0 units. Because if you are taking y is equal to -2, then the distance is -2. If you are taking y is equal to 1, the distance is 1. But if you are taking the x-axis, okay, so the distance here from x-axis to x-axis will be 0. There will be no distance. Only x coordinate is varying 1, 2, 3 here -1, -2, -3, but y is always 0. So the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. This is the important. Okay. Now let's move to next part. If I have to draw the equation that is parallel to y-axis now. That is parallel to y-axis. It means it is x, it is y, and I am saying this. This is a line that is parallel to y-axis. It is 0, 1, 2, and this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here -1, -2. Now see, on this line, see the points. First of all, it is 3, 0. It is 3, 1 because y distance is 1, x is 3 and y is 1. Here it is x is fixed but y is 2. Here 3, 3 and 3, 4. Now see, in this line x is fixed. X is 3 only. This distance, the distance from y-axis is 3. It is fixed, but the component, the y component is changing now. First it is 1, then it is 2, then it is 3, and then it is 4. So you can easily find the equation of this line. What will be the equation of this line? The equation of this line will be x is equal to 3. Why? Because the distance or the coordinate, x coordinate is fixed, that is 3, but y is changing its value. So you can say that equation of a line that is parallel to y-axis. This is the line that is parallel to y-axis is of the form. What will be the form of this line? This line have the form x is equal to k, where k is a fixed number. K can be 1, 2, -1. If I say x is equal to -1 and -2, if I draw this line, this is the line that is parallel to y-axis. But see, the x is now fixed, that is minus 2, but y is changing. So the equation of this line will be x is equal to minus 2. So equation of a line that is parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equal to k, and equation of a line that is parallel to y-axis is of the form x is equal to k. Why? Because x coordinate is fixed and y is changing. Now the important part is, if I have to find the equation of y-axis now, if I have to find the equation of y-axis, similarly as we found equation of x-axis. Now see, this is y-axis and I have to find the equation of this line. On this line, see every part or every point, 0 comma minus 2, because x is 0 and y is minus 2. 0 comma minus 1, 0 0. See here, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3 and 0 comma 4. See each point. On each point, x is 0 and y is changing its value, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3. So you can say that the equation of y-axis is now x is equal to 0, because there is no distance. It is y-axis itself. So you write here that equation of y-axis is equal to x is equal to 0. So there are two important results. First, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0, and second is equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Okay, and equation of a line that is parallel to y-axis is of the form x is equal to k, and equation of a line that is parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equal to k.